Hey guys, it's SM Cubing, and this video is a 100 subscriber special video, and I'm going to be solving 5 3x3 Rubik's Cubes. I also made them with my other Rubik's Cubes. I'm pretty late to this. I'm already at more than 200, but I had to make a 100 subscriber special. I just didn't want to not make one because, 100 is a cool number. I'm gonna scramble these Rubik's Cubes and I'm gonna solve them. Okay, so all of them are scrambled. Let me inspect this one first. Okay, I zoomed out a bit. I think that'll be better for you guys to see. Okay, so so I'm gonna use this timer. Then I'm not gonna stop it until I solve all of them, and then I'll stop it after I finish this one. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. I hate V-perms. Oh, I rotate too much. Okay, here we have this cube. Last cube. Okay, 2 minutes and 2 seconds. My look ahead was pretty bad on these two, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any video idea suggestions, because I'm kind of running out, leave them down in the comments below. That's pretty much it for this video. And yeah, thanks for 100 subscribers.